Good day to all participants of this webinar. Also, thank you for that beautiful introduction, moderator. Again, let me introduce myself. I'm Carl Angelo P. Boqueron from BTPT 3K Electrical Technology Major. Mabuhay. I'm one of the speakers for today's webinar. My topic is Adobe Creative Cloud, and I'm here to discuss the use of it in enhancing presentation design and its basic features with you under the lesson of productivity software applications and tools for teaching and learning. As a matter of etiquette, let me provide our webinar guidelines. First, find a place with minimal disturbance for you to be able to listen actively and concentrate during the webinar. Second, if lines are open, turn off your microphone. Third, as much as possible, turn on your camera. Fourth, use your pen and a notebook to jot down any important information that is being discussed. Lastly, respect and actively participate in order to have an active discussion. I hope we follow these guidelines during the webinar, and thank you so much for your kind consideration. Before proceeding to the discussion, here I prepared an energizer. I named it Decode the Emoji. It is really easy to play, but let me ask this first. Are you excited? Please let me know if you're excited by sending I am excited in the chat box or comment box. Okay? Thank you to those who responded. Before anything else, let me share the instruction. First, I'll show you a group of emoji and challenge you to translate them into a word or phrase. Second, emojis with equivalent letters will be provided. Third, after I show you the emojis, you can begin decoding. And lastly, use our chat box or comment box to type your answer after counting from 3, 2, and 1, go, and send your answer within 10 seconds. Do you get it? Please send heart reactions in the comment box if you get it. Okay, we will proceed now in our energizer. This is our example. Gets? Okay, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please send your answer in the chat box or comment box. Okay, we will reveal the answer. The answer is Adobe. Congrats to those who got the correct answer. Okay, let us proceed to the next one. What do you think it is? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please send your answer in the chat box or comment box. Okay, we will reveal our answer. The answer is creative. If you got the correct answer, congratulations. I hope you enjoy, and let's proceed to the last one. Okay, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Please send your answer in the chat or comment box. Okay, I hope you have your answer. And let's reveal our answer. The answer is cloud. Congrats to those who got the correct answer. Outstanding. Thank you so much to those who participated in this Energizer. I deeply appreciate you. Earlier, we had our Energizer, and if you notice, each word that was being presented is connected to our topic for today. Now, the title of our topic is The Use of Adobe Creative Cloud in Enhancing Presentation Design. Before proceeding to the discussion, here are the following learning objectives for our lesson. At the end of the program, the participant should be able to, firstly, define the Adobe Creative Cloud. Secondly, recognize the basic features of Adobe Creative Cloud on an Android phone. Then, demonstrate how to use Adobe Creative Cloud to enhance presentation design. And lastly, value Adobe Creative Cloud for enhancing graphic designs and images. Now, let us describe first the Adobe Creative Cloud. If you are familiar or have any idea about the topic, just type it and send it in the chat or comment box. Copy? Okay, let us proceed. Adobe Creative Cloud is also known as Adobe CC or Adobe Cloud, is a comprehensive collection of Adobe desktop software and mobile applications under one umbrella. It means that the Adobe Creative Cloud or Adobe CC is a collection of software for graphic design, video, and photo editing, especially Adobe software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and more. I know every one of us wants to have a good presentation. Maybe with those backgrounds we are using or anything that we add in our presentation. Am I right? Do you know what's more interesting about it? That this application of Adobe can be installed on an Android or iPhone and on a desktop. On an Android phone, just go to the Play Store and search for Adobe Creative Cloud and you can easily install it on your phone while we are having discussion. Everyone, let us go to the Play Store and install it on your phone so that you will be familiar with the things that we will discuss today. Now, to all participants, if you are done downloading it, to use it, click Sign In. And you should enter your Google or Facebook account or Adobe ID if you have one. But if you don't, you can create your own account by clicking Sign Up. Okay? Are you done? If you are done, let's proceed to discuss its basic features. Are you following me? Send a heart reaction in the comment or chat box if you are still following me. Okay, that's good to know. Let us continue. For more understanding, let us discuss each action or features. In the upper part, you will see three icons: cloud, bell, and the blue one. The cloud shows the status of the action you apply to a specific graphic or photo, whether it is uploading, exporting, or background removing. While the bell or the blue one, it shows for notifications for any new updates and is used for monitoring, especially your account. Now, in the quick actions, these are the basic features or parts of Adobe CC on an Android phone. These are the following: upload, remove background, autotone, export as PNG, white balance, straighten, auto crop, and create folder. Do you see the highlighted part? That is uploading. The first feature is uploading or upload. The first thing we should do before using the other actions is upload any graphic or photo that you will use in your presentation. Choose any picture and click the blue button in the lower right corner to upload the picture you chose. Notice the cloud in the upper right corner. It will show the status if it is uploading or not. Gets? Okay, let us proceed to the second feature. The second feature that I will discuss is remove background. This action will help you to remove unnecessary objects from the photo or optimize the photo for other uses or purposes. Like if you just want to get the person or anything that will be used for enhancing the background of your presentation, just click it and the photo or graphic you uploaded, then click apply and wait for the result. I'll show you the result like that. This is the result. You will see it by looking at the original and new pictures after applying the action. Then click continue to save the file. That is the remove background. The third feature is autotone. Autotone will adjust the contrast and color of the image you uploaded, and it will automatically identify the shadows, midtones, and highlights to enhance the photo by clicking the apply button. Through it, it balances the tones of the graphic you chose. For you to clearly see it, I'll show you the result, guys. That's it. You will see it by looking at the original and new picture after applying the action. Then, click continue to save the file. That's the auto tone. Before I go to the next feature, I hope you are still following our discussion. Now, the fourth feature is export as PNG. Here, I know there are different image file types such as JPEG, PNG, GIF, and more. Now, this is my question to you. Why do we need to export or make our image to PNG? If you have any answer, just send your answer in the comment or chat box. Advance thank you to those who will give their ideas. Now, this is how exporting images as PNG files is done. First, click export as PNG. Then, click the apply button and just wait for the result. After that, name the PNG and save it in any cloud storage you want. We need more graphics in the PNG format since we can simply incorporate those altered graphics into our background design and edit them more easily because they are transparent. PNG also allows us to edit images without losing their quality. Do you get it? Okay, let us proceed to another one. Okay, the fifth feature is white balance. The purpose of white balance in enhancing graphics or photography is to adjust the colors that match the color of the light source to remove unrealistic color casts. and make them look natural, like this. Now, this is how we apply white balance in your graphic. First, choose your photo, then click the apply button and just wait for the result. Okay, this is the result of edited graphic or photo. After that, click continue to save your graphic. Okay, the sixth feature is straighten. This action is used to straighten, of course, or improve the composition of a photo or graphic. If the photo is crooked or twisted, you can apply it. That's the function of straightening. Okay, this is how we use it in our graphics. First, choose your photo, then click apply button and just wait for the result. Okay, this is the result when you apply it. See the difference? Then click continue to save your graphic. That's it. It's basic or easy to use. Now, let's proceed to the other features. The second to the last is autocrop. Here, these actions help you to crop your photo or graphic to a suggested size or ratio automatically when you apply it. The disadvantage here is that it is automatic and not manual, meaning you can crop pictures to your own desired size, but it is still good. Now, this is how we should apply it in our graphics. First, choose your photo, then click the apply button and wait for the result. Here is the result. Click continue to save your graphic. Did you get the process? But before proceeding to our last part, let me ask you this. Are you still following our discussion? Please send heart reactions in the comment or chat box. Now, if you are following, that means we can proceed. The last feature is create folder. With Adobe CC, you can create your own folder where you can save your files, edited photos, or graphics. This is how we should apply it. After clicking create folder, first you must give a name to the folder. Then click the create button and just wait for the result. And after those processes, click the plus button that is found in the lower right corner, and then you will see choices of whether you want to upload a file, upload photos, or take a photo, like that one. That's all the features we can see in the quick actions. Thank you for listening. That's all for this topic. Now, it is up to you to discover more about it. It has free storage and free features, but if you want to upgrade or have premium features in this app, you should buy their subscription. But if not, use those free features now. Okay? To sum it up, in this lesson, we can learn that this app may help us enhance every graphic or photo that we will use in our future presentation when we report some topics in the class. Yes, PowerPoint and other applications on a desktop can help us to create a good design, but some of us just have a cell phone to use. So I just see it as useful and more beneficial to us when enhancing the background or graphic design for presentation. Using Adobe Creative Cloud is easy, and we can just use our phone anytime as long as we have our data or internet connection. I want to say it is a helpful tool. I hope you will give yourself time to explore it more. Again, I'm Carl Angelo P. Bucaron. Thank you so much for your time and listening to the discussion. also for active participation in this webinar. Now, if you have any questions or clarification, just keep them for now and share them later through comments or the chat box when we are in the Q&A portion of our program. Thank you, God bless, and mabuhay.